Here he comes. Here he comes.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker,
That's
man.
what you call catching fish,
Fish,
on
tucker,
camera.
Fish,
Woo!
tucker, the fish, tucker, man.
Anyway, folks, next recipe, as I promised, some more salmon. We're in the salmon theme. Got them nice thick fillets, skin off. You can leave the skin on for this dish. You can see the apparatus. It's going to be smoking salmon. Right. So this is the salmon, nice and fresh. I'm going to quickly just have a quick demonstration of how we're going to clean it. Well, I've already cleaned it. Just fill it and fill it again for a good meal. First we're going to do, take the scales from the side here where we're going to put the knife. Sharp knife. Around the pectoral fin. And slowly put the knife in, and we're going to cut all the way down to the backbone. Just put the knife onto the backbone and get rid of the ribs. This is a bit delicate. Got it. Right, so there you go. Two big fillets. We're going to skin them now. So what I'll do, I'll trim a bit off here, pinch it, grab onto the skin, sharp knife, and it should be quite easy. Sharper knife or longer one. There you go. It's coming out really good. Right, so there's your fillet. Beautiful. Cut the bloodline out. It's not the best eaten part of the fish. Not too much. You don't want to waste the fish. Okay. Over here, got the ribs. Not many left. Now, what I like doing with this salmon is to actually fillet this again because it's quite thick. So this is what I do. Just got to estimate how thick you want it. You start from here, you cut, try and make it even. Look at this. So for one fillet, you got two nice fillets. Alright, that's beautiful. You cut it like that, do what you want. Right, so I'll just quickly show you the ingredients. Very simple. Okay, so we got some salt, black pepper, my ingredient, Taco spice mix. Now it gives you that extra bit of oomph. Salmon can be a bit, I won't say bland, but I don't know, I just like a bit of extra spice in life. What we do is just rub it all up. Now if you've got some whiskey or bourbon, you can rub that in as well, or brown sugar. All I've got is some white sugar. Just put a little bit. And that will give it that nice caramelised colour when it's all smoked up. It's pretty okay as it is. Right, well I'm just going to put a very little bit of oil. I don't want it to dry out. And also when I put it on this smoking grill, it won't stick to the grill. Looks pretty good. Now I'll just show you here. got this grill. I'll put in some foil because if the hot plate is too hot, the wood chips will start splitting up and will just soil your food, which you don't want that to happen. Okay, got some wood chips. Should be heaps. Right. Grill on top of that. Some foil here just to protect the meat from any wood chips. Alright. Now put in the salmon. One over here. This one's over here. Okay. Looks pretty good. Now time to light it. Okay, so I'm using a special bio flame, food grade. Just like that. Beautiful. That's back there. Thanks, fire. And it's firing up a bit. What we do, we grab our smoker, try and centralise it over the flame. Alright, the flame is going to go all along the bottom there and heat up those wood chips. Very important. Put the lid on. And while you're waiting, could be 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Grab yourself a bit of fluid. Enjoy the fire. Right, so you got to be careful. Right, so you got to be careful not to lift this up too early because all that smoke will escape, and you're going to lose some flavour. So it's a matter of trying to decide when you reckon it's ready. Yes, it's usually when you can't touch it, it's ready. Right, so while I'm waiting for the stuff to cook up, make some nice garlic bread, very simple. There you go, love the garlic. Oil. There you go, rub it all in. Nice and simple. Bit of salt, which I haven't got. We're just going to chuck it onto the fire. There you go. Right on the fire. Lovely. Yummy. I think I better check this. It's smoking up pretty good. Get ready for it. Oh, wow. Look at that. That looks amazing. Woo. That looks pretty good. That's a thicker piece, so I've got to make sure it's cooked right through. Yeah, no, not quite. That's a thinner piece. That looks great. Going on for about 20 minutes now. Yeah. That looks superb. That looks delicious. Let's have a quick check here again. Piece here. So the juice has actually stayed there, which is good. Won't be too dry. Oh, look at that. That Yummo, that's definitely done. That big one there too. This one's definitely done. I can't wait to hone into this. Australian salmon smoked on the smoke box. A nice fire next to me. There you go. Bit of garlic bread. Right. Now it's time to have this nice salmon. Look at that. Beautiful. White bit of meat.
Tucker. Fish.
Gonna give it a shot.
Tucker. Fish. Tucker, man. Fish.
That's not bad.
Fish.
Very
Tucker. Fish.
Alright, so I did it again. Smoked salmon. Love it.